Okay, guys, today we're going to be playing with this.
As you notice, we also have that big container of slime. Well, she's playing with it.
But
we're going to do some cool tricks with the slime. And she is.
So, I had white slime and purple, and I mixed them together so they can be in the same container. So, I'm going to show you guys how to do some bubbles. So, as you know, I love slime. I don't know if you guys know that, but hopefully you guys subscribe. Well, look, it's a bubble. And then look at first.
Well, she is a really good slimer because she made me this bag of slime. I swear, if I play with it, it's going to be all over the place. Ugh, so smushy. And then the next slime we're going to be testing is this slime.
It's banana.
Or we might be testing that slime.
So this is watermelon, orange,
that should be
pink lemonade, and cherry.
This doesn't even have
This
smell.
is cotton candy.
But
guys, let's play with
well, I'm gonna get out this slime.
It's very tiny. It's pink lemonade, as you know. Look at the tiny little bubbles. Look, guys.
Well, as you
Susie, you're the camera girl. You're not the one who plays with the slime.
next video. Shoot. Well, see, she's playing with this slime. It's fun too.
Okay, guys. Next, we're going to
Never play with this slime. It's too sticky.
yeah. As you
But
know,
it's fun to squish.
Yeah, it's like a little squishy. So next slime.
Will be the what?
As we told you, we have watermelon slime. It's really big. So me and my aunt made this because we made separate slime and then we added them together to make watermelon slime. So it gets glitter everywhere because my cousin Christian played with it. But let's make a bubble.
Well, as you see, we just love slime, and that's one thing why we call it slime.
Or we have orange slime.
After we show you all our slime, we're going to go around and show you all sorts of things you need to make the slime, and we're just going to fake like we do it. That's what me and her want to do. Next video, you'll see my hands playing with the slime. I don't know why I said that. I mean next 3 to 4 or 5. I just don't know when my hands are going to be playing on slime.
Okay, guys, now we're ending this video, but we'll be back later.
So hit the subscribe button.
And comment down below and hit the notification bell so you get notified when we make a new video. So we're going to be making new slime videos instead of like icky, the stuff that Susie's been making.
And you guys, if you
Don't forget to subscribe, otherwise we'll sell you some slime.
hit the subscribe button, comment down below, and hit the bell.
Guys, it costs $10, so don't worry.
Hit the bell. It costs 0, but
No, it costs 10.
we want 2,000 likes on this button right.
No, we want
Yes.
10.
Have a good day, guys.
10 million subscribers. Have fun.